Guys, I have a problem. I don't know what to optimize for. Should I optimize for link clicks or engagement? Because if I don't have any engagement, then I won't get any link clicks because of social proof. Or should I optimize for conversions, but then I won't get any conversions because I don't have any link clicks?
Hey Noah, you should optimize for view content so that you can build your pixel, and then you can optimize for more higher up conversions.
But this guy told me that I should optimize for link clicks. What should I optimize for? I'm so confused. Oh, that was funny, huh? But anyways, let's dive right into this video. So, this is a question that I get a lot. What should you optimize for on a fresh pixel? Shouldn't it be obvious that you want to optimize for what you want? No? Then maybe you should optimize for what you don't want. Let's optimize for video views. Let's see what we're going to get. What do you know? We got a bunch of video views. Let's optimize for view content. What do we get? Wow, I got so many link clicks, but why did nobody buy? Well, let me tell you why nobody bought, because you were optimizing for view content. Now, here's the thing, because a lot of people have a different strategy with this, and I want to clear the water and say that none of it is wrong and none of it is right, okay? I know the intro was funny and it sounded like I was mocking a specific strategy out there, but trust me, I wasn't. Most of the things that people say actually works. Like, if you follow any strategy through, it'll end up working. And this is just kind of like the nature of business. You know, people find something that works, and you know, my strategy might be different from this guy's, and this guy's might be different from that guy's. So really the answer depends on who you ask. Honestly, there's no right or wrong answer. It just depends on who's giving that answer. You know, in my experiences, what you want to optimize for is what you want. Like, if you tell Facebook that you're going to get that you want video views, you're going to get a bunch of video views. It does not mean that you're going to get purchases. Just because you optimize for purchases does not mean that you're going to get purchases. In my experience, you get what you ask for when it comes to Facebook ads and the pixel, and this is why 100% of the time I ask for purchases, which essentially means that I'm optimizing for the conversion pixel and I'm specifically putting in purchase. Now, no, I know what you might be thinking. You don't need a bunch of pixel data for Facebook to be able to go out there and get you sales. And no, you don't need to optimize for lower pixel events just to go out there and optimize for purchases. You don't have to optimize for add to cart first. You don't have to do that stuff. And every single winner that I've found has actually made a sale or has actually been profitable, like in the first few days, optimizing for purchases with no pixel data. Even if you have no data at all, not a single website visitor, Facebook will figure it out. And this is why I say it's smart. Like, the pixel is smart, okay? Like, it's not dumb. You don't have to try to confuse it. If you do try to confuse it, it'll get confused. And this is why I say that you should optimize for purchases. And it's really not that difficult to explain, but the true, honest, 100% true answer to this question is it depends on who you ask. If you ask me, I'm going to tell you always optimize for purchases if that's what you're trying to get. If you're doing lead generation, optimize for leads. If you're trying to get just a bunch of video views for whatever reason, optimize for video views. And if you ask somebody else, they might tell you something completely different. But as I say, it's always important just to listen to one guy with this type of thing, because everybody has a different opinion, and it doesn't mean that one guy is right or wrong. It doesn't mean that one strategy works and one strategy doesn't. All that it means is that if you're trying to follow this one person's strategy and you're trying to be a student or a mentee of this one person, you should follow what they do, because chances are whatever they optimize for ties in with whatever strategy they're following in the future or in the past, whatever you've done to build up to this point, right? So my tip for you is to choose who you want to learn from. Choose one person, okay? I don't care if it's me. I don't care if it's them. I don't care if it's he. I don't care if it's in the moon. I don't care if it's on the ground, okay? Just choose one person and listen to whatever that person says. If they say you should optimize for view content, do it. I don't care. I tell my people to optimize for purchases because that's what works for me, okay? So it really depends on who you ask. But I mean, that's it for this video, guys. It was really quick. Like, there's not a lot to talk about. I just wanted to make it clear that it all depends on who you asked. There's no right or wrong answer. And I hope that you like this video. If you do, leave a comment, let me know what you thought, and maybe I'll make some more quick funny videos like this in the future. But as for this video, this is Noah Brewer, and I'm out. Peace.